Hello, beautiful people. How are you? I'm fine, thank you. Today, we are going to make a nature box. So, what do we need for making this nature box? So, first of all, we need a box, okay? So, can be a shoe box or any kind of box that you have at your house, and you need to cut it the top part here. All right, after that you're going to need glue. Okay, my glue is huge, but you can use any glue that you have at your house. You're going to also need some craft paper. I believe that is in your kit that the school gave you, so have a look there. I'm also using some blue paper, okay, and some paper flowers that I made. So for this art, basically you have to use what you have at your house. Então, para essa atividade, basicamente você vai tentar usar as coisas que você tem na sua casa. Muitas coisas tem no kit. Então, se você der uma olhada lá, você vai achar papel crepom, vai achar alguns papéis coloridos. E aí, basicamente, você vai precisar da sua caixa. Mas, se na sua casa você tem, por exemplo, um jardim bem grande e aí você tem folhas e flores e tem areia, terra, você tem gravetinhos, você também pode colocar na sua caixa. E você também pode misturar esses elementos. Se você tem um pouquinho de terra, mas você não tem folha, você pode colocar dentro da sua caixa, que vai ficar bem legal, ok? Eu tô usando o que eu tenho na minha casa. Use o que você tem na sua, ok? Se você não tiver folha, mas você quiser adicionar, você pode desenhar numa folha de papel várias folhinhas e colocar, ok? Use what you have at your house, alright? So let's start. First of all, I am going to make the grass, okay? Can you say with me? Grass. Grass. I am going to cut my green craft paper and we're going to make it the grass. So I will come back in a second. Now, can you see? This is my grass part. So I used my craft paper. As I said before, you can use anything that you have, even real leaves or real grass. All right? So now I got a piece of paper, blue paper, and I'm going to make a lake. Okay? I'm going to make lake to pretend that it's real water to look nice here, right? So I'm going to show you in a second. See? Now I have a lake, all right? With brown craft paper, I'm going to make some rocks. I'm going to make some rocks for my nature box. So now that I added some rocks, I am going to glue my flowers, okay? I did this with my paper cutter, but you can draw them on the paper and then cut it, okay? Doesn't matter if you don't have a paper cutter. Now I have water, rocks, grass, and flowers on my box. So for the last part of my nature box, I'm going to add some grass. Okay, I used green paper, green creative paper, and I made also some leaves with creative paper too. And I'm going to add them to my box. People, this is the final result of my nature box. Okay, and here I have again water, rocks, grass here, some leaves and flowers, okay? So I'm very happy with my box and I hope you enjoy this video and I hope you make your own nature box, all right? So if you do, please send me a video or a photo of your box. And can you describe your box for me? Então, você consegue descrever o que tem dentro da sua caixa em inglês? Você consegue me dizer quais foram os elementos da natureza que você usou? Alright? So remember to say all the names in English and make your box. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have fun and learn. See you later, alligators!